Hello everyone, my name is Abu-Ubaida Sani. I'm from Nigeria. Nigeria is a country in Africa. In Nigeria, I live in the northern part of the country in a state called Bauchi. Here is Nigeria on African map, and Bauchi is here. Bauchi is a multilingual state with about 30 different languages. The major one is Hausa. I'm also a native speaker of Hausa. But I live in Sokoto. Sokoto is also a state in northern part of the country. Sokoto is somewhere here at the border. Yeah. So Hausa, Sokoto is a Hausa state. So I am a freelancer. I provide freelance services, basically language services like translation, transcription, transliteration, yeah, and other services such as linguistic evaluation, proofreading, editing. Yeah, if you want to know more about me and what I do, you can check my website, abu-ubaida.com, or check my academic website, AMSOSHI.com. Yeah, you can also check the website of our company, the company we run, which is a language service providing company, AMSOSHI Language Services. It's a registered company in Nigeria. We provide language services. The languages I cover include Hausa, Igbo, Yoruba, Kanuri, and Fula. These five are all Nigerian languages. Then for foreign languages, I cover Swahili, English, and Arabic. Thank you.